Welcome to GospelDigitiser. In this video, I'm going to quickly take you through everything you need to know to start using OBS. All right. The first thing is to get familiarized with the interface. But then, when you download the OBS using the link in the description, install it, and the first thing that you come across will be what? The auto configuration wizard, which pops up like this. This will ask you a question on whether or not you want to stream or record and what do you want exactly. What you want to optimize your OBS for. If you are streaming, then and you also want to record, select the second one. And then this will take you through steps such as this, selecting your resolution and then your frame per second rate. And I'll just leave it at this default to get started. So it takes you to the final result and then you apply setting and boom, you're all set up. But most importantly, you need to connect your stream. You come to settings and then connect to your network before you can start streaming. But before we get into that, which I'm going to take you through in the next video, we need to know what exactly we are saying. On my left, we've got the preview scene, which is the things you say before you can send it live. And on to my right, you've got scene, which is what you're sending live. This is what is being produced. And this is what is yet to be sent out for live feed. And you have a couple of options here which we're going to cover in the subsequent video. These are such as functions and advanced, but let's get familiarized with the interface. At the bottom left is the scenes. The scene is a particular setup that comprises of different sources. So collections of sources, 1, 2, or 3 more sources makes a scene, and a scene is a collection of sources. So you can collect audio, visuals, sound, photos, videos, and more, even web browser sources to become a scene. And you can create multiple of scenes, in fact unlimited. Why here in sources you can as well add as much sources, which I'm going to practically do in the next video. And on this side of it is the audio mixer. So for instance, if you are going to have a sound there, I'll add the mic I'm using at the moment so you can have a feel of it. So select this, and my mic is USB audio codec. And when I send that live, now you're beginning to feel my mic. Yeah, you can set this further by adjusting from stereo to mono. You can see this is a mono sound I'm sending in. You can make it stereo. Now you see a full bar. That's how it works. Yeah. So, and this is your transition, and transition helps you to send from preview to live. Everything you see here is exactly what you have here. Not exactly particularly, but you can add more options. This is a cut transition, a fade transition, and fade to black. So when you adjust this value, it takes effect on the main transition function. Yeah. And on this control, this is the control panel that allows you to set up your stream, start recording, set up virtual camera, toggle from studio modes to the single mode, and then go into your settings. All right. General options, is a global sort of set standard, like determining your themes. I can change your language, move your themes from one color to the other as you prefer. And I'll go to the default, which is yummy default or something. Yeah, that's fine. So, and for updates, for you to get updates, one disable it, untick this, but I'll advise you to have it ticked. And these are some other things we'll discuss in the next video in details. So this is for a global setup, this is for a stream setup. And if you want to connect your YouTube right away, you just click this, and then when you click connect, it sends you to an external link, and then you can set up your stream. But I'm not going to do that now. All right, so this is your output settings. What becomes your output? These are the things you need to know. I'll speak into details about this later. And this is the audio, your global audio settings, general audio, and more. And we've got a video output settings to hotkeys, accessibility, and advanced. Well, I'll talk more about this in the next video, so check it out. Cheers.